Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Dr. Jason Jones back with another episode of Health Made Easy. And I will go ahead and warn you that the next two episodes, for some of you, might seem a bit woo-woo, a little bit out there in terms of what we're going to be talking about. But there's actually a lot of research and a lot of anecdotal evidence behind what we're going to talk about. So this week, what we're going to talk about is what is breath work and why should you even care. So some of you may ask, well, we've been breathing our whole lives. Why do we need yet another breathing trend that has been popularized by celebrities? Well, the truth is, breath work is actually an ancient technique much similar to practices like yoga and Tai Chi that incorporates Western psychotherapy principles and psychology principles to help you foster things like self-awareness and nervous system relaxation, which is why I like it as a chiropractor, that nervous system relaxation part. Changing the way that you would typically breathe in order to reach deeper states of consciousness and awareness is what breath work is all about. And while it can take many forms, the basic principle is to use such an exercise to boost your physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. And it doesn't have to be difficult. It just has to be done on a semi-regular basis. So the technique that has proven effective mitigating a plethora of conditions related to chronic health concerns because it evokes numerous physiological and chemical effects like changing heart rate, blood pressure, and stress hormone levels. It can help you achieve a greater sense of self-awareness and capacity for self-healing, and even alleviate conditions such as mental health problems like depression, stress, anxiety, including anger issues, trauma and post-traumatic stress, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, labor pains, irritable bowel syndrome, symptoms, asthma, insomnia, help with quitting smoking, remove mental fog to boost creativity thanks to enhanced consciousness. It has been shown to help alter the immune system, high blood pressure, and metabolic function, and also help in the management of a condition known as ADHD in children and adults as well. So, and we actually teach a form of this in one of our classes that we teach in the office, which I'm not going to share here, but I'm going to give you a few forms of breathwork techniques, but the ones that are commonly used for the sake of first-timers are going to be the ones I'm going to share. And there are other ones, there are simpler ones, there are more advanced ones. There's ones where you can use a practitioner, but I'm just going to go through a few of these. The first one is holotropic breathwork, and this is with the help of a guided certified practitioner. This technique is often conducted in groups. It combines accelerated breathing with evocative music to help you enter a state of mindfulness in order to activate the natural inner healing of sort of who you are. Consequently enhances a set of core self capabilities. The next one is clarity breathwork. This practice is designed not only to help clear old energies, old patterns, old conditioning, negative thoughts and emotions, but it's also geared at opening new doors for a better life, inner peace, greater awareness of self, forgiveness, and self-love. To fully reap the benefits, you will need the guidance and support from a professional clarity breathwork practitioner who will identify complex issues in your life, consequently be there to walk you through many of the feelings, thoughts, and body sensations that are bound up and bound for you to experience during a given session. And the last one I'm going to talk about today is biodynamic breath and trauma release system breathwork. As the name suggests, this body-oriented therapeutic approach uses breathing, movement, touch, sound, conscious emotional expression, and meditation to promote tension release, consequently arrest the trauma-related fight or flight responses. It can help individuals who have PTSD, trauma, stress-related illnesses, anxiety and depression, OCD, burnout, ADD, ADHD, chronic pain, etc. The effects of breath work are apparent, so clear with your physician, or join a class to realize these wholesome benefits. So I'll give you guys one more that we teach in a class that we have, and it's called box breathing. It's a 4-count inhale, a 4-count hold at the bottom, a 4-count exhale, and a 4-count hold once you do that. So 4-count in, 4-count hold, 4-count out, 4-count out again, or hold again. Real simple, real easy. I recommend breathing through the nostrils only if you can do it, because that allows you to be able to get to the lower lobes of the lungs. And in the lower lobes of the lungs are the nerves that are connected to what's called your parasympathetic nervous system, which is the rest and digest part of your nervous system. So you have the fight or flight side, but then you have the rest and digest side. And the more you can activate and turn on the rest and digest side, the more you are going to get out of your breath work. So I hope this helped out. You guys have a great week, and we'll see you on the very next podcast. Bye-bye.